Good day to everyone. I'm Ma'am Jovi. In this video, I am going to discuss the function of do-while loop in Java. The do-while loop is similar to while loop. However, the body of do-while loop is executed once before the test expression is checked. This is the flowchart of a do-while loop. As you can see here, guys, that the Boolean, if the result rather of the Boolean expression results into true, the loop body will iterate. Okay, it will be executed and it will go back again. However, if the result of the Boolean expression is false, the loop will terminate. Okay, I have here a file, a notepad file. So let's start. I am going to demonstrate how to use the do-while loop in Java. So we have here public class do-while loop demo, open curly brace, and then a close curly brace. So I'll just put a comment end of the class. Next, I am going to include the main method between the class. So public static void main. So I have here string args. Okay, this is the main method. Okay, between this one, we are going to input source code to be executed. I'll just put again a line. This is a line comment and of the main method. Okay, I will declare a variable that I'm going to use. I press tab, so in count, the value of count is 1. I'm going to initialize it as 1. I'll use the keyword do, and then the open curly brace, close curly brace, and then followed by the while, and then it is where we are going to put the condition. So I'll be using count less than or equal to 5, and then semicolon. So as presented a while ago in my presentation, so this is the syntax. Between the curly braces, it is where the statement that we are going to include rather the statements to be executed. I'll just put here a comment. This is the end of the while loop, so that we will not be confused when we try to run this program. Okay, so let's display first the value of count. System that out that print out and of the value of, okay, I misplaced that. The value of count is, let's just concatenate. Okay, I will put this one plus. Okay, what I am just joining the string literal and then the whatever the value of the count variable. Okay, and then let's close end of the statement. Then let's put the increment count plus plus. So what? Then I'm going to save this and run the program. Okay, the first thing to do in Java is that we are going to compile the program using the compiler. So it's Java, the class name. So this is case sensitive, do while loop, demo. It must be exactly the same as the file name that Java. Okay, there you go. It has no error after compiling, and then we are going to run the program. To run the program, we have going to encode Java, then the class name, do while loop. Because once you are done compiling, there is an additional file with the .class extension. Then we are going to run Java do while loop demo. Okay, then we just hit the enter key. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I am going to explain the source code that I created so that it will be very clear on your part on how you are going to use this. Okay, there you go. So the initial value of count is 1. So the keyword do, and then the value count is printed on the screen. So that's why the first one, the value of count is 1. Yun yung pinakaunang system that out. And then the value of count will now become 2, right? Then the expression will be evaluated. Is 2 less than or equal to 5 true? Right? It will iterate again. Uulit siya. System.out.println, the value is, what's now the value? 2. That's why the value of count is 2. This line will appear on the screen. Next, 2 plus plus will become 3, right? Kasi it increases the value by 1 lang. Okay, we have this increment operator. Then, is 3 less than or equal to 5? True, right? Okay, it will go back again. It will print 3. And then, 3 plus plus, the value of count will now become 4, right? Is 4 less than or equal to 5? True, right? Okay, so the value is 4. 4 is printed, and then count plus plus. So the 4, and then count plus plus will become 5. Is 5 less than or equal to 5? True. So the value of count is 5. This one will appear again. And then count plus plus, the value of count will now become 6, right? And then the program will gonna test the condition. Well, count is less than or equal to 6. So after evaluating, the program terminates. Why? Because the value of the expression count less than or equal to 6 is already false. This ends the life cycle of the loop. Nakuha? Wala na. Nag-stop na po siya kasi nga naging false na itong expression natin. As mentioned a while ago in my previous presentation, that the loop will iterate until the statement is true. I-execute daw niya ang statement between sa loop body kung ang result ng expression natin ay true. Pero kapag ang naging result niya ay false, titigil na ang loop. I hope this clarifies your understanding on how you are going to use the do while loop. Okay, what will I do is that I am going to modify the program. So let's change the value. Let's say it starts into 10. And then let's put here 20. Okay, let's say 15 only. Okay, let's run. File save. And then it's compiled. And then let's run. There you go. Why? Because the start is 10. Okay, the initial value of the count variable is 10. So the loop iterates until the statement is true. Okay, if it is false, it stops. That's why it's count less than or equal to 15. What will happen if I use this, let's say, 30? Okay, do you think, guys, this is the output of this? Let's run the program. Yeah. Okay, so it starts from 10 and ends to the numbers 10 to 30 appears. Yeah, okay, then so this is how the do while loop works in Java. If this video helps you, please click like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.